It all started when I had this urge to go to my parents' place and look at some old photos. I've done this before, but I never appreciated the experience like I would now. As I get older, I'm learning more and more that newer doesn't always mean better. Sometimes it feels like I'm chasing things of the past more than things of the future. What I yearn for the most is that feeling of nostalgia, and I often find it the most when I look at old photos. That's my father practicing Kung Fu. This is also him taken on Polaroid film. I think what makes these photos so great is that you actually feel like you're there. They have this special look to them, a look that digital cameras just don't have. Which got me thinking, if I love these old photos so much, why don't I just make my own memories through film? That is exactly what I did. I bought a film camera from the 80s. A Minolta X-570. Even today, I still wonder, why am I fascinated by older things? Or things where you have to use them manually? Like the joy of driving a car with a manual gearbox and 3 pedals, or buying whole bean coffee and grinding it myself. Maybe it has something to do with mindfulness. The old and less convenient way of doing things makes you more focused on the experience and less on the distractions around you. The more presence you give, the more reward. Shooting film really makes you mindful of your subject, the camera settings, the lighting. Each time you only get one photo that you can't go back and fix. I think this alone brings me a heightened sense of awareness, the feeling that I need to be in the moment. What does all of this mean though? Am I only going to shoot film? Am I always going to do things the old way? The answer to both of those questions is no. I don't want to take the joy out of things by overusing them. This camera will be another tool to remind me about being present, and a means to capture beautiful moments in time.